Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tire on an Audi Q7. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, away from any moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite the flat tire for maximum safety. Gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, typically found in the trunk. Remember to check your owner's manual for precise jacking points. Now, let's get those lug nuts ready. Before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut by turning it counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Don't remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the correct jacking point, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Slowly raise your Audi Q7 until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts by hand. Once all nuts are off, carefully pull the flat tire straight towards you, off the wheel hub. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare firmly onto the hub, then hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. This ensures the spare is seated correctly. Almost done, gently lower your Audi Q7 until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Don't forget to check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to a service center as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.